This is the standard speaker in the Ultra Skelly. As you can see, it's not bad, but it needs more, especially if he's going to be your feature piece on your Halloween display. This is the same audio file played on Bluetooth Skelly with our external plug-and-play, easy to install jack with an external speaker.
Step into the shadows and enter my realm of the dead. May your night be filled with spooktacular thrills and chills.